welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Sam and I create videos on almost everything. As per the new format, I'm here with a DIY video. For those who don't know, I'll be posting videos twice a week on YouTube. Actually, I saw this necklace online, I guess for 300 or 400 rupees, and I thought, why shouldn't I give it a try? So today I'm going to make a necklace using straw in just 5 minutes. Just follow the steps and you are done. Let's begin, shall we?
It will be a better option if you use juice straws as they can bend easily when put inside the chain. Now straighten the straws and start painting them into golden. The best part is you don't need any extra talent to color the straws. If you wish, you can give it a double coat to hide the transparency. If you're having trouble while coloring, you can insert the straws into paintbrush or any kind of stick of that size for a neater look. Once they get dried, start putting chain into it. I used a pendant in between to hide the joint of two straws. If you wish, you can also use a bead or any kind of decorative stuff you like. तो बातों बातों में बन गया हमारा straw necklace.
Hey guys, hope you all enjoyed the super easy idea to make a necklace using straw in just no extra expense. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, share and like and all the good stuff you know. और हाँ, इतना देखने के बाद अगर सब्सक्राइब ना किया तो फिर क्या किया जनाब? Please subscribe and hit the little tiny bell. I should take a leave now until we meet on Friday. AllahHafiz.